Welcome to your personal wellness channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing 8 neuro-linguistic programming techniques that will literally rewire your mind and give you the ability to make more money and create financial wealth using the power of NLP. In addition, we also invite you to visit the link in the description below in order to receive your free Money Magnetism audio as our gift to you. Alright, without any further delay, let's dive into today's topic. Number 1. Rewriting your money stories. Neuro-linguistic programming techniques enable you to identify negative money narratives or stories you tell yourself and transform them into positive and empowering narratives. Often, we hold on to self-sabotaging stories such as, "I am not good with money," or "money is always a struggle." By recognizing these limiting narratives, you can reframe them into empowering stories such as, "Money comes to me easily and abundantly," or "I have the skills and mindset necessary to create and manage wealth." This process of rewriting money stories reprograms your subconscious mind, creating new neural pathways that support a positive money mindset and attract abundance into your life. By consciously choosing to rewrite your money stories, you take control of your financial narrative and pave the way for a more prosperous future. Number 2. Anchoring financial success. Creating powerful anchors involves associating specific positive emotions and beliefs with wealth and abundance. With neuro-linguistic programming, you can use techniques to identify those moments of success or abundance in your life, and anchor them to physical or mental cues that act as reminders. For example, you may choose to touch a specific finger, or visualize a symbol, whenever you experience financial success. By consistently triggering these anchors, you'll condition your mind to connect those positive emotions and beliefs with wealth, thereby rewiring your brain to naturally attract abundance into your life. The more you practice these anchoring techniques, the stronger the association between positive emotions and financial success becomes. Number 3. Changing your money beliefs. NLP offers highly effective tools for identifying and reframing limiting beliefs about money that may be holding you back. Using techniques like reframing or belief change patterns, you can challenge and replace negative thoughts or beliefs about money with empowering ones. For instance, if you have a belief that money is scarce and hard to come by, you can reframe it to believe that money flows to you easily and abundantly. Through this process, you reprogram your subconscious mind to align with positive money beliefs, paving the way for greater financial success. By actively working on changing your money beliefs using NLP techniques, you empower yourself to overcome self-imposed limitations and open yourself up to a world of financial abundance. Number 4. Visualization for abundance. Visualization is a powerful NLP technique that involves creating vivid mental images of yourself living a life of financial abundance. By regularly engaging in visualization exercises, you stimulate your brain to generate positive emotions and mental images associated with wealth and abundance. Imagine yourself in detail, experiencing the lifestyle you desire, surrounded by the material possessions you want, and feeling the joy and fulfillment that financial abundance brings. As you immerse yourself in these visualizations, your brain will begin to form new neural connections, rewiring itself to focus on opportunities and attract the resources necessary in order to manifest your financial goals. Visualization acts as a powerful tool to align your mind with your desired financial reality and propel you towards achieving your dreams. Number 5. Financial affirmations. Crafting and repeating positive affirmations related to wealth and abundance will reinforce your belief in your ability to attract money and create financial success. Using NLP language patterns and positive statements like, "I am abundant and prosperous," you actively program your subconscious mind to align with thoughts and beliefs that support your financial goals. By regularly affirming these statements, you strengthen the neural pathways associated with abundance, rewiring your brain to naturally attract opportunities and take inspired actions towards making more money. The repetition of these financial affirmations acts as a powerful tool for instilling empowering beliefs and reshaping your mindset in favor of wealth creation. Number 6. Overcoming money blocks. Neuro-linguistic programming helps you to identify and dissolve subconscious blocks and barriers that hinder your financial progress. Through techniques like timeline therapy, parts integration, or reframing, you can address and release deep-seated fears, limiting beliefs, or past traumas related to money. These blocks may manifest as a fear of failure, a fear of success, or a belief that you don't deserve wealth. By clearing these blocks, you'll rewire your brain to create new neural pathways that support financial abundance, enabling you to move forward with confidence and ease. As you release these limitations and replace them with empowering beliefs, you free yourself to fully embrace your financial potential and create the wealth and abundance that you desire. Number 7. Mastering money language. NLP emphasizes the power of language in shaping your thoughts and reality, and this applies to your relationship with money as well. By using specific money-related language patterns, you can communicate effectively about money and wealth, both with yourself and with others. For example, reframing negative statements into positive ones, using influential language in financial discussions, or consciously choosing words that reflect abundance and success. By mastering money language, you create a positive money dialogue that reinforces abundance and rewires your brain for financial success. Through consistent practice and awareness of the language you use around money, you can align your thoughts and beliefs with prosperity and attract greater financial opportunities. Number 8. Creating a wealthy identity. Neuro-linguistic programming techniques help you to cultivate a mindset and self-image aligned with financial success. By using visualizations, affirmations, and modeling successful individuals, you can adopt the characteristics and traits of someone who is financially successful. Visualize yourself as a person who effortlessly attracts wealth and manages it wisely. Repeat affirmations that reinforce your identity as a prosperous individual. Study the habits and strategies of successful people in the financial world, and model their behavior. This process of creating a wealthy identity rewires your brain to align with your desired self-image, influencing your thoughts, emotions, and actions in ways that attract more money and abundance into your life. By consciously shaping your identity, you activate your innate potential for financial success. These 8 NLP strategies can help you to reprogram your mind, align your actions, and attract greater wealth and abundance into your life. Remember, consistent practice and implementation of these techniques can lead to remarkable financial transformations. Please don't forget to visit the link in the description below to receive your free Money Magnetism audio as our gift to you. And if you found this video valuable, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out some of these other videos from your personal wellness channel.